Live now, and I also hope today's music is not too distracting. Okay. I was I was still updating the CSV form before I was trying to find the exact position for the different spaces, but we're not going to do it now. I'm going to use this. First, I want to work on the highlight function. So for now, if I click start, we can see which directions are highlighted, I think. Wait, which spaces are highlighted, I mean? Oh, it's taking a long time to compile, but yeah, not now. If I click start, wait, actually something's wrong. Okay, never mind. I guess it doesn't really work. Index out of range. This is at mandatory index. Okay, switch index. This should be an 8 if I'm not mistaken. That is a button, I think. That button would only work if we start from that. Yeah, actually let me see which one do we have. Yeah, that one should be 8. Why is 8 not working? Okay, let's actually see why is that not working. Well, that one is 8 basically because that's the total card. Not object, but here. Mandatory card 8. This is a card that we want, so that should be 8. What's wrong with this? So here, switch index case 8. But I did not use index anywhere else. Okay, so something is out of range, but I doubt it's index because I feel like index is just fixed. Highlighter. Oh, okay, highlighter formation is actually out of range. Then let me actually see it. Highlight. Okay, highlighter formation. This is larger than the count. If that is 1, then continue. Highlighter formation element add is out of range. I guess it's here then. So, okay, I think it's like the pointer chases as well. So we have the stack and we have the spaces. Element at I, it should represent yeah, like the I space, and then it has a adjacent. Okay, that adjacent cannot have element at I because that one probably would only work if. Yeah, okay, I get it. It's this part element at I is out of range. How do I make a list of unique values of C#? Is there a way to do that? Okay, I should be able to use hash set. Do I want to use hash set? I mean, I think it's worth it in some way. I mean, it's also possible to just. Well, I'm just going to draw a for loop and just do a contains before that because I don't think like using a new structure is necessary. I could, but I don't think it's necessary. Yeah, like it's possible to not use it. I would opt for like not using it. Instance stack spaces elements at I. Adjacent. This is an array. I think this is an. Oh wait, this is a list. No, right, this is a list. J++. Kind of some of like for some of them I'm using properties, for some of them I'm not. I'm not sure if this works. So if radius influence element J is equal to that, and highlight reformations contains oh wait, what's contains this? I know it's super long, I mean that's not good, but yeah. And contains this is not equal to, so okay, we should be able to do this then. We then add. Actually, do not add I. Right, this is not I. This should be. We should add the element as J. So it's basically that if one reformation. This is a space that we want to find, or like we want to make sure. I mean, for this continue, I think it's okay, but let's actually do a break. I think there are really two directions to go about this. So one direction is to say like if that element. Yeah, I feel like it's easier to do I. We just keep the index focused on I without like really changing. I think changing perspective makes it more confusing, so let's not do that. Okay, so if I is not added, then okay, I feel like this is okay. Actually, we probably don't need this because we would break out of it quite soon. Yeah, let's not do this. I don't think we need it. So if it's in there, then we break. And then if there's an active reformer in it, we also add it. What else? Let me actually see. So basically, we pick spaces that contain a reformer adjacent to radius. Adjacent. Okay. We also want to do a pass, I think. This is OR. Oh no, this is not OR. We have to use another loop for that. And if highlight reformations contains I. If it doesn't contain I, then we try to see if pass works. I think this is very similar. I just need to change this to pass. Maybe pass is the right keyword, I'm not sure. Let's see. Yeah, we also add this, and we do not have port yet. I'm just going to put that in to do. Oh no, we have that. Make unique pass. I think we have already made pass. We also made it unique, so I think the port is the last one, and we cannot do it now because I haven't defined everything yet. So let's just do this. I'm also going to add another if it doesn't contain I. For this, the indentation is awful, I kind of know it, but okay. That's it. That should be the. That should be it. Let's try. Let's try. No, still out of range. Okay, this is element at 2 to 3. Adjacent element at J is still out of range. I mean, if adjacent is 0, then oh, it's just a J. A quite stupid typo. Let's try again. I mean, for me, I think the debugging system as it is good enough. Like Qt, like the debugging Qt is just awful. Like here is a bit better at least. 2 to 3. It's still the same line. That's still out of range. Jason element at J. Okay, here's the problem then. I'm just going to do a debug log because I'm quite unsure like where does this run into problem. Debug. Let me see. What is this? Oh, I want to see this. I want to see what is the element I and what is element J. Okay, so 134. Oh, okay, 134 is starting out of range. We cannot do this. Okay, I see what it means. We cannot do space dot count. Let me think about it. Wait, but no. I mean, this is not like that good, but I don't think it should be like out of count. This is not in the array. Like space doesn't have that many entries. Like how can that one only has like 134. Okay, so it only has 134. Element at J is this one. Wait, I'm a bit confused. I'm going to see J. I'm going to see J. Because I don't know when, like, where is that out of range. Oh, sharing access, okay. Okay, for this one, debug J is 1. 134. And that one, where's 134? Please see where 134 is. Oh, okay, I see. This one is a -1. I think that should fix it. Is basically the index is always a bit larger than like the real IDs. Oh, this is really red. I think last time when I left it, it was not that red. What's wrong with it? Why is it so red? And actually, is this correct? Why would be this 5? Oh wait, where's Luther? Why is Luther not at the right place? Now that you actually think about this, I feel like there's something wrong with it. First, it's like too red. This is like really. I don't want it that red. This is like really red. Highlight display, highlight 0. Why is it this red? This is 119. 119 is this red. It doesn't seem to be this red when I test it. Why is it this red? I don't understand. Oh, okay, I kind of see it. If I do it once, is it better? I cannot click twice. Wait, what? I don't think this is right. I think this one should already be Protestant, if I'm not mistaken. This one should just be Protestant, right? Yeah, convert Wittenberg to Protestant religious influence, and then we add 2 regulars. We should also take away the 2 regulars in 134, I think. Okay, first, this is too red, and I don't want 4 of them. Why there are 4 of them? I think it's too red because there are 4 of them like stacking onto each other. That is the reason. Let's see, where does this like wrongs? Okay. I'm just going to do a here to see how many times it runs into this loop, because I know. Wait, but this one always breaks. This one should not. Okay, first we should change the religious influence to 1. Otherwise, this one is going to keep getting highlighted. We don't want that. Oh, so we add Reformer, add Luther, and then we change the religious influence. This is 0 is equal to 1. We definitely want to change that. So we change that. Okay, suppose we change this. It still doesn't explain why that one gets like highlighted 5 times. And also, like, there should be any of them. Like, if that one is not switched, I don't think that could. If it doesn't contain I, then we do this. If it doesn't contain I, then we do this. I actually don't know. How does this get repeated so many times? Cannot. Oh, okay. It should be a religion one. Okay, that's still too many times, and actually far too many times. I kind of feel like... Wait, what is 1? Is 1 Catholic? Did I kind of mess up the enums? Actually see. 1 is Protestant, 1 is not Catholic. Okay, so if 1 is... let me see how we initiate GM. I think we initiate them to be 0. Yeah, we initiate them to be 0. Actually, that means like I'm not sure if this would compile, but let's see. Maybe it will. No. Okay. Let's not do it. Okay, but the problem is still. Okay, so for this time, let's not do 1 to 5. I think 1 to 5 is like making it like messed up in some way. Let's see if it just once can't work, because we're missing some UIs. Like without those UIs, the probably wouldn't work. Let's see. Okay. Okay, now we get these squares. Are these squares crap? I don't think so. Like, why are these 3 here? These 3 should not be here. So we know that let's actually just make everything 0. I kind of feel like I did not make the right thing 0 this way. Okay, here. So, I mean, I think the upper. Actually, this 3 should be red. This one shouldn't. So, container reformer be adjacent. So it's like only this 2, only this 3 should contain adjacent. Probably this also. This is just so strange. I don't know why. Let me see like how. So I want this to print I. I also want this to print like what kind of like what kind of element like here like this is getting. I don't even understand what like how this is getting that. Yeah, let's do that. So we should be getting like kind of I don't think we have paths, and I don't think we have that many reformers. So if that one is already 1, we should continue. Unity engine. I want to do a debug log here to make sure we continue once. I don't want to see that we never continues here because that's certainly not true. Syntax error 228. Okay, so I think that's it. Oh, okay, that wouldn't. 1 to 2. How does 1 to 2 get to that? 1 to 2 definitely shouldn't be there. But let's see. So we have here. Let's see the input. Okay, so we have here 4,001. 1 is Brandenburg. Brandenburg is here. This is right. This one is right. Wait, is this wrong? Because I should be doing I should be doing I+1. Is that the right reason it's wrong? Let me actually see, because I kind of feel like that might be the reason. Oh, let me just see it. That might not be the reason. Okay. No, that's not making it right. Never mind, I don't think that's the reason then. But the problem still stands. Let's try it again. As we can see, 1 is valid, is 8 valid, 8 is Lübeck. Where's Lübeck? I don't even know where that is. Oh, here! No, this is not right. How does it get here? No, why would 8 get here? That is not right. So religious influence. Brandenburg is not one. I know this is not right. It apparently there's something here that's saying Lübeck has the. Yeah, apparently it has the right one, but it doesn't. Yeah, let me run this again. Debugging indexes are so fun. This is like the most interesting thing here. Let's get rid of this. Okay, let's see. So 0108, how does that happen? 08 has nothing to do with each other. Where do you see 8? Oh, okay, I know where do you see 8 then. So here, apparently, this one should not have a -1. But if we do not have a -1, this is index. Okay. How do we want it then? This is like religious. If this is still when I is equal to 0. And if I is equal to 0, this one should just continue. Why would it run to this? This should not run to this. I don't understand why it does not continue. Like, did I misunderstand C# continue? This is just like so confusing. Wait, I don't understand why it does not continue. Okay, I mean it should, it definitely should. Let's see how why it does not continue. So we have 0, apparently 0 feels like it's. Oh no, it's not 0 field, it feels like this should. So the problem is add I. But apparently this one should add I plus 1. Probably only this one though. Let me just see. I feel like this is just like so strange in some way. Oh yeah. contains like +1. No, this still doesn't feel right. What do I want to add? The point is, if the index how do I use it? How do I use it? I think the problem more lies in how do I use it, not here. So pick space on highlight, pick space. I think pick space is going to be used at highlight script. So element set I. Actually, element set I is right. Wait, this is not right. If this is element set I, I actually want to do element set I +1. Is that it? I hope this is not an index mismatch, but let me see. I just feel like there's somewhere that's missing a -1 or +1, but I mean, at this point it's kind of similar. It's just we're like just missing the right index. Okay, this is kind of expected, but not expected. Okay, here's the problem then. I think we kind of avoided some of them, but not quite. So how is Wittenberg actually adjacent to this? Are they actually adjacent to this? I'm kind of confused. Wittenberg is adjacent to 2, 9, Brandenburg, Magdeburg. I'm butchering the name. Okay, Magdeburg. And 16, Leipzig. Leipzig is here. 117 and 123 are probably there. So what are this highlighting actually? This highlighting are not these places. 15. So 8, 15. What is 8 and what is 15? 8 is this, and 15 is Erfurt. Okay, I think this is right. The problem is I feel like this is... How does this 3 get there? Okay. So realistically, not like realistically, but okay, this feels really strange. Let me think about it. So everything was adjacent to 0, but the problem is I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 adjacent. But Augsburg is 6. Like Augsburg is 6, Mainz is 3. Oh, the index. Okay, I was so stupid. I was so stupid. Okay. Well, I mean, I guess I have to be a little stupid here to not catching this arrow for 20 minutes. I was so stupid. There's nothing wrong, it's just like my brain's not working for the index. No, that was so obvious, but I can't imagine like I kept like debugging the for loop, but not the real. Okay, this is missing one of them though. Okay, it has 1, 8. What happened to 122? Why is 122 not highlighted? So what is 122? This is Brune. No, Brune is not a adjacent one. This is 123, right? I think I got a typo. Yeah, this is 123. Oh wait, but yeah, that one is a -1 version. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Then what happens to 123? Why is that not highlighted? Did I miss one of the elements why I go through the loop? Not this one, the Hello script. Okay, do I want to do a... Oh wait, I can just see how many. Okay, 0 is right. 1 is right. Actually, where is 1? I only see 4 of them. Okay, let me see the coordinates. So for 123, the coordinates should be... Oh, the 123 I didn't have the right coordinates. Okay, I see. Okay. I don't hate it, but I hate it. That's I just... let me do that again. Okay, it turns out there's nothing really wrong with the code. The code was correct at the start, like right at the start, the code was completely correct. However, like there are so many other things that are not correct that make me feel like, well, there's something wrong with the code. Well, this is really hilarious, but this like happens every day to me, so the code is like completely correct, like none of the indexes is wrong. However, like there are so many other things that are not working. Let me get one of the prefabs then. Well, actually, let me just get the red circle. Which one is the better one to get? Let's do resources, object control workers. Key. Let's get this. Okay, so we should go to that one. This is 100. Okay, 120. This is 200. 220. Okay, so this is 118. No, 16, 15. 18. Oh, I should have made the starter because I don't see. Okay, so let's make it 16 then, and this one should probably be a 13. Okay, so this is 113, 216. Okay, I think the last like 40 minutes just show like why things can be so bad, like without reason, but actually like you can see that's how things can be so bad. Now like I think it should work. If it still doesn't, then there are other things that are wrong. Oh wait, I have to make this smaller. Okay, now things are working. Alright, we spent 40 minutes to make this. This is not even on the title, but okay. Okay, so this part is working. We probably want to get rid of the two regulars here, right? The Wittenberg one doesn't need a regular anymore. The reason why we cannot remove it is because that one kind of goes out of the index range for removing. So to do that, let me think about how to do it actually. That is what is it? That is a flyweight. No, that is not a flyweight. That is another one, I think. Land units. Okay, so here we have 135, which is kind of difficult because if we want to change regular, it doesn't work with 135. How do we do that? There is a possibility that we just like write another if statement just for the six of them. But I think that's not the right idea, or that's like too much trouble, I think. Let me see, is there a way to incorporate this to the naming convention? The problem is here we look for elements at if regular index is 0, we probably would not make a new marker, but we can make an else if. I think that is a possibility here. Else if and index is smaller than 134. I think this is good. If regulars index equal to 0 and index is larger than, else if, okay. Oh wait, why do I have this? Okay, so these are the special cases. And the special cases can pretty much do this. I'm just going to copy and paste this. So switch is at index, and I'm going to do 135, 136. Or actually, is it better to do 134? Start at. Yeah, start with 134. 35, 136, 137, 138, 139. Okay, so these are 6 of them. And here we kind of know that we want to destroy it. And I feel like we don't even need that. This one we just find 135. This one we find 135, 135 0. Oh yeah, there's actually a funny conversation I have with people, like recently. And so I don't know. I feel like a lot of people just kind of like smart people. I mean, in a way that you kind of like it at least as friends, but maybe more than friends. But for me, I just don't. I feel like for me, like my type is not smart people at all. I don't even like smart people. Always like smart people does not attract me in that way. Which is so strange, or like I feel like people assume that other people are into smart people because so many people are, but for me I'm just not. It's not that I don't really like people that are like stupid or anything, but it's just the smart people doesn't attract me any more than other people. Which is like in some way I feel like I'm quite a minority here. like people don't do this. Yeah, I'm just surprised because I'm just talking to someone and someone also says, oh, because I saw like you must have you must like see them as smart, or you must feel like they're smart, so you're attracted. I'm like, no, that's not the reason. I mean, they might be smart, but when I feel like attracted to them, I definitely didn't do it because they are smart. I feel like it has nothing to do. Like, even if like it's not like romantically like it can be like friends, but I pretty much have nothing. It's not like nothing, but I don't particularly feel like. Yeah, I just don't, which is quite strange. I don't know. This is just funny. Like do people feel like they are being liked only because they're smart? I don't know. I feel like I mean, I might not be stupid, or I might be smart like in some people's eyes, but like a lot of time, or like most of the time, I don't feel like I'm being liked because I'm smart. I mean, I'm not liked because I'm like pretty or anything, but I don't know. I just think somewhere I don't understand why people are into it. I mean, a lot of people are into it, like certainly, or like actually like many people are into it, but just not me. Like, or it's like it doesn't. Oh wait, Wittenberg. Does Wittenberg disappear? No, it doesn't disappear then. So it doesn't disappear. Why is that? Oh, because I did not even change the regular 135. Okay, I did not change that, so it cannot do what I wanted to do. Let's leave it then. Oh, no, it can do what I wanted to do. Like now, like after that card is played, that should just immediately move that 2 regulars to that space, right? Yeah, I'm like looking at 18.1, what's going on. So Lucy is added, and the 2 Protestant regulars are added there, which should be right. Okay, I think I just didn't. 134 is 0. Why is one? Oh, okay, 134 is 0, but it does not trigger the change. So I need to move an on-chain drag. On-chain drag. This is 134. Power is 5. I don't think this matters, but let me just put it 5. Yeah. So now it should be working. No, this is not working. Index was out of range. Okay. Index was out of range because the land use script 133. 133 here. Okay, here. This is basically because, well, let me just do a, if the index is larger than 133, and just put everything into it, basically. Index is larger than that, let's do this. And I'm not even going to do a break, I think return is better. Yeah, let's just do return then. Then we do not need this else. If either, it can just be this. Yeah, I think it was just that hard. Like, whoa, really? Like, do you think I thought you were smart? Like, several years ago, and that's why I kind of want you as my friend, if that's what you think. And it was hilarious. Yeah, this was like really hilarious. Like really. I'm not saying that people is stupid. That person is like stupid. I'm not saying it. And but just like really. Okay, so we have this, and here comes the difficult part. How do we do the highlights? Here's the highlight and remove highlight, and then we need a click highlight. There is one possible that. Let me think about it. I kind of want to avoid Unity's own event. Or maybe no, I don't want to. Here's the problem of a highlight script actually. I may not want I want this. I want highlight space element at I. Okay. So if I have this, I need to do what I need to do. I need to do an on pointer click, I think. I pointer click handler, and I need to include the using Unity Engine event system. Okay, so we have this. On pointer click takes this void. This is public void. Yeah, that part was quite funny, and I was like thinking, wait, do people just like to? I don't know. I feel like people like. There has been like years like since people are saying like smart is the new sexy, but I mean for me I just don't get it, I guess. Or I just don't feel like it's like sexy anyway for me. I feel like sexy is the real sexy, so I just don't get why smart is. Yeah, like for me I don't get it. But I mean there are like a lot of people who are getting it, so I guess it's yeah. Unity Engine. Unity Engine debug log. Wait, does it need a sprite renderer? I think I'm getting a lot of, I don't know, a lot of different ideas. Like apparently you can do it. You can do a lot of things for. Let me see. The problem is there are like so many of the, not so many, but. Just want to see how to detect click events on UI. So this is on pointer event. Okay, I think that is enough. I just want event data pointer current ray cast game object dot name. If I have this, I think I think that just for debugging purposes, it's good enough. Yeah, let's actually try this. The name. Oh, okay, typo. Yeah, I just feel like it like put too much pressure on people. Like they have to be like smart, or they have to be like good in that way to be liked. I just don't think so. I just don't think people, or at least like for me, like I like people not because of that, or I feel like I like people regardless of like smart. Yeah, I mean it's just me. I just don't. I mean it's not. I'm not saying like people shouldn't feel that kind of pressure, because I mean other people have this kind of like, I don't know, have that kind of bar, or they really prefer like smart people, but I just don't. So I feel like people around me should like, or like, I should at least let them know that they just don't feel pressure to be smart anyway. That like it's not that thing that attracts me. just don't. Yeah. Okay, so we have the game object name. Let me get some water and go to the bathroom. I'll be back really quick. Okay, I'm back. Well, here, one of the problem is that like it can return something, but it cannot really return it. I kind of want the, or is this like an event listener actually? Like if there's a pointer click, then we want to so basically every time any of these are clicked, then it's good enough that we can do a reform attempt on that space. Right, that is good enough. So we probably want the reform attempt to... Okay, we want two things. So first, we want to remove every highlight. First we need to get this. We need to get this object name, and then we remove all highlights. This is for I. Yeah, then we just remove highlights. Remove highlights. I think for this one, I don't even want to like do a undisable kind of remove or like unenable. That's like unremove highlights. This one just do remove highlight actually. Highlights, spaces, elements. Sorry. Okay, here I just do a like really simple remove highlights, and then I want to send this back to the reform attempt because that's what it means. Then this one should probably be a variable then. This should be a highlight choice. Right, I feel like this should be a highlight choice. This is a public integer. Int highlight choice. So we want to do something. We want to have a, let me see. I think this can be a void because highlight choice, this is a static int. So this is a simple int3 simple handler. Okay. Public static simple handler. Highlight selected. Okay, so we do this. Highlight selected should just tell you that highlight has been selected. It doesn't have to, let me see. So here in the highlight here, we want to do something called highlight. Let me think about it. Highlight selected is equal to GameObject.name. This is a substring, I think. C# substring. Okay, this is a substring that starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it starts from 10, I think. Um, 10, and this should be an int parse. Parse, yes. Okay, so we have this. Then highlight selected is changed, and then we change this to unable. We also need to, let me see, highlight selected plus equal to subscribe to mandatory. What is it subscribe to? I really don't know what it should subscribe to. Okay, so what should it call? Let me think about it. It should call something, but I just can't think of what it should call. I feel like it just should it should like continue to do it. How do I do that kind of thing actually? Sorry. Unity wait until variable changes. Okay, I think the idea is first don't do a like first don't do a real weight. Like real weight doesn't work here. I don't know what does coroutine mean. Let me see. Coroutine T. Allows you to spread tasks across several frames that can pause. Oh, okay, it can pause. Is this the best design choice? I'm not sure if this is the right design choice, to be honest. But I also feel like, other kind of weight are even worse. Let me think about it. So first, how do we use it? Okay, so if we do not have our highlight selected right now, let me see. While highlight selected equals to -1, I'm not sure. There should be yield return now, and then reform tempt. Int target is equal to highlight selected. That kind of thing? I'm actually not sure. Is this what we want to do? Not sure, let's see. Okay, cannot be iterator. We need to make another iterator then. Let's make another one. So I enumerator weight highlights, and then we put this. So yield return now. Let's do this. Do we do weight highlight? I don't know. I think I'm just pulling a lot of like random things. Highlight spaces does not exist. Where? 62 and 64. Highlight space does not exist. Okay, because highlight spaces are not this way. One of the reasons that highlight spaces are not this way because this one doesn't know. This one doesn't know. That one doesn't know either. I think it's a lot easier if we just make this here. To be honest, I think it's a lot easier to just do this. So here, then we just change this just highlights. So highlights is equal to, oh wait, why does autocorrect not work? Okay, highlight spaces. Okay, then here we can just use highlights. Okay, I think this is good enough then. Argument cannot come 66, 68. highlight element that. Okay, it doesn't need that. So this just highlights. Object name cannot be used as a method. Object name, this is not used as a method, I forgot substring. It's like nothing to do with method. The substring, I probably, yes, I don't even know how to do substring. C# substring. Oh, capital letter, okay, I get it. I never get those things right, like this is just so... You see, that's why I know like 4 or 5 like programming languages, but I don't even know how to do substring in most of them. Okay, see. So now this should be right, and if I clicked one of them, no. Input string was not the correct format. Highlight 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It should start from 10. Is this the right way to count it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Parts from 10. What is wrong with that? That actually printed because I don't know what is wrong. Oh, okay, this should be like event data point recap. Okay, I think this one should be right then. Hopefully I don't have to, no. Okay, if I click... Okay, that does not erase everything else, so this is wrong. Remove highlights. Why does it not destroy it then? Okay, apparently it only removes... No, it actually removes 1. Like, how does it remove 1 actually? Did I have a remove highlights? I didn't even have one. Wait, how does it remove 1? This is on pointer click will remove. Okay, this is strange. It doesn't. It actually removes 1 of them. I'm sure I don't understand why it can remove 1. Let me see. It should remove all of them. Here, let me do an engine debug. Highlight spaces and I. Okay. Is it because it doesn't find the right one? I feel like it might be because it doesn't find the right one. Okay, it goes through a lot of them, so it goes through here. But it does not go through this. Oh, because okay, I was just really bad at the indexing, I guess. Yeah, I was really bad at indexing. Okay, all of them works. Whew, that's good. And okay, something is not working because I don't think the... Well, this part is working. Or at least I think this part is working. But then something is not, namely here. So reform attempt. Should I get a debug log here? No, not this kind of debug log. I'm going to get this debug log. Highlight selected. Okay. That part has a problem because highlight selected was never initiated to -1, so we need to like find somewhere to initiate to -1. It might be better to let me see how to C# initiate initialize static int. Yeah, I don't want a constant, so I cannot do like static int equals to 1. I cannot do that. Oh wait, that is not a... I think that is not a static int. Did I not understand the... Wait, let me actually think about it. Can I just do this -1? Because actually, I think we can really like see very quickly if it's working. It might not work, but we can see very quickly if that's not working. Oh, not French. Enter name. Yeah, that's -1, of course. No, we should not work here. Let me see how does the wait work. We are not supposed to wait there. Oh, so wait until that is not 1. Yeah, I mean, should we do not equal to 1? I just don't think this is right. Like in a logical way, I don't think I understand it. No, we cannot run to that part yet. Why does it just run to that part? It should wait, right? It should wait. What does yield mean? Can we just do yield like nothing else? Oh no, I cannot. I think I did not use that, and that's probably not right. Star protein, I probably need this. Right, I think I probably need this. No, this is not right. Oh, the good thing is we know that at the beginning it's just initiated -1, but the problem is I can't prevent it from running through. The third coroutine not working. I feel like yield return now should be enough, but somehow it does not. Okay, so I think weight highlight is the right way to start it. Yes, somehow I don't understand why this does not. I don't know what's going on. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. So it looks like... Oh, that's actually dual unity. I know this would probably like print infinite amount, but apparently it's not printing infinite amount, which is the problem. If it was like printing infinite amount, then we are kind of fine, I guess. I feel like this probably just prints like once or twice, and that's the problem. Okay, and this is good. Wait, this is actually printing a lot. Wait, why? Why is it working here? Oh no, this is... Okay, I kind of get it then. That coroutine is waiting, but it does not it does not really pause the thing. It does not pause the thing at all. That is still waiting. But it doesn't even like pause it. Okay, there is one possibility. No, I don't want that. I don't think that's good. I feel like I might just want to do a invoke. Invoke unity after this condition. I just don't think coroutine is the thing that we want to use. Okay, if we do not use this, then what do we use? So basically the problem is highlight selected is changed. But we only want to do it after, like basically after it's changed. This way I feel like it might be easier to... And the problem is I don't want it to be blocking, like it looks like it's blocking the... No, I want it to be blocking, but now it's not. It cannot really like break, it cannot break. Like don't break from here, don't do that. I think it's just a wait, to be honest. I just want to wait. Let me see. I don't want to... let's just do a really naive one. Yeah, let's just do a while, like highlight selected equals to -1. Let's just do this. I know this is bad, but like I just don't know how to make it work otherwise. This is just yeah, bad. Okay, I kind of get why this is bad now, because this is a bitter weight, and a bitter weight cannot do the... like... yeah, it's just like blocks the whole thing. I don't want it. Oh, let me think about it. Oh, well, this actually frees the whole thing. Please don't. Please don't. Yeah, please don't freeze the whole thing. Don't do this. I have to do a close window. Please don't. Okay. It didn't work. I feel like I'm going to lose a lot of things that I did. Just because of the stupid. Okay. Okay, I guess this is why you don't do parallel programming the wrong way, because this is what you get when you do it the wrong way. Ah, please. Are you okay? I feel like everything else is okay. This is not okay. Yep, this just crashes the whole thing. Wait, why is my stream? Oh, this is that bad. Let me actually force quit this. I cannot do that anymore. Is it better? Okay, that was a really bad idea. I should not crash my Unity for this. I should not. The lucky thing is that I did not do that many like front end things. So I mean, even if the front end is not saved, I don't think I lose too much. Oh wait, please, I cannot redo this. Oh, what's wrong with my entire screen? Okay. I think things were just not really working. Is it better now? Okay, it's better. Yeah, I just crashed the whole thing. Because I should not do that kind of way. That kind of way just crashes the strat. Oh, what do I have? Yeah, I have this, which is really bad. Don't do this. Okay, if I don't have this is not good, because it basically cannot move forward, but it should not crash anything. Okay, now we can do this. Index was out of range. Okay. See how we really do it. That was not the right way to do it. That was definitely not the right way. How to do it? So first, if one of them is highlights, then we need to change the highlight selected. If we change highlight selected, we need to send a message to everything that's subscribed to the unhighlighted selected. We need to send that information. So we should do this. We should do unhighlighted selected. And what should we do here? We should make this subscribe to highlight selected. The problem is I don't want the whole object select, like suggest, I don't know, let's see. Reform attempt actually. This reform attempt, is it a good idea to make reform attempt to highlight selected? Actually I think it is. Like now if we do this, like highlight selected plus equal to unhighlight selected. This is unhighlight selected. Let me see. So this is highlight selected also equal to reform attempt. Is this the right idea? I don't know, let's try it. At least this should not crash the program. I mean, for now I think I'm grateful enough if it doesn't crash the program. I've seen like a lot worse. Database DB is already open. What is that? Let me resave it, although I don't think I made any changes. One. That's good. So this is the right way to do it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we make this subscribe to highlight selected. So this is one, and we want to counter reform dice because I'm not sure how this would work. Paper dice, printing pro. We don't have to do that. Send signals to various parties. What do we need to send signals to? Greatest influence. Oh, we need to change the control markers. So that's. This is not change regular, right? We don't need to change regular. Change regular is because we are moving troops. This is only when we're moving troops we change regular. How do we change control markers then? We need to like flip control marker. I think that's what we want to do. Let me think about it. So determine result. Let me do a lot of Unity debug because now they don't have a like working UI. I could make a working UI right now. I feel like. What kind of working UI do we need? Like we could make an area with dices. That's one way to make it work. I'm not sure if it's the best way. If it's the best way. Let's not worry about UI right now because I don't think I'm like, good enough to program the UI. So we want to count the reformer dices, and we also count the paper dices. Okay, so we count this, we count paper dice, and here we wait. This is not what I want to do. Here we make a debug message, just say like, hey, we won. Like if it ever gets to 6. And yeah, paper dice is already added up, and this one just say like win. This one says lose. One, 4, 6 lose. Okay, so apparently paper dice got a 6 and there's really no way for us to win. That's okay. So if we lose, then we return. When we return, what do we need to do? So here, we want to unsubscribe. We want to do a minus actually. We want to unsubscribe at the end, like in case we are not going to roll again. Because like we may never like return to this point, I think. So I mean, why don't we just like unsubscribe at the beginning? I feel like this is a lot easier. Just unsubscribe at the beginning. Yes. Even before like pick target space, like just unsubscribe. Make sure we don't forget to unsubscribe, otherwise I feel like we forget. and then we do another highlight reformation, and then we do another pick space, and then we do another reformation attack. Let's see. I do feel like this is still going to. Is it still going to stop? I really don't know, but let's see. I hope it doesn't freeze the whole thing. Please don't. Now I'm just scared. Like this is going to crash the whole thing. Okay, this is 5. It's too much. We cannot do this. This means that. So now, if I click one, we just get 5 of them at the same time. This does not wait. Yeah, this does not wait. 4-6. How can 4-6 win? Some of the winning and losing are just very confusing. But anyway. Okay, so we don't want to do a for loop for 5 because it's not going to unsubscribe at the right time. Can we do this? So it cannot be a for loop because for loop is sync. For loop is not async. We want to do something like do this once and then do this another time and then do this and then do this. Like a very sequential for loop, not like for loop and every time subscribe. Or is it better to, let me see. I think it's a subscription problem. Like we don't want it to like subscribe 5 times. Like this is not what we want. Yeah, this is just not like strange, but there's like some kind of logic that's not quite working here. This is not the right software we're having. Okay, let me think about it. So first, during the first time, we should subscribe once and then wait. And then like suppose like once it runs through it actually runs 5 times, as if you subscribe 5 times, but I don't want to subscribe 5 times. Think about it. Is it better to like call out a function 5 times? So this is technically so reformation attempt. I don't know if it takes a parameter like int 5. If it takes a parameter int 5, then like every time it only subscribe once. But if it's not done yet, then I don't want to say we call it recursively because it's not what we mean by recursive. I don't know, like observer pattern, how do you repeat actually? Yeah, I guess I'm just too bad at this. I'm just too bad. I actually don't actually I'm not sure how would I resolve this. I'm going to think about it because I cannot really know it like right now. I don't think that's like of my capacity to be honest. But okay, suppose we only do it once. Suppose we only do it once, and then we're going to add the reformers, and we're going to add a lot of like cargo phase. We're going to add leaders, add reformers, add debaters, and add new cards to deck. So in this way, what do we need to do? This is one, phase is 2, I think. So phase 2, we just add enable. Do we have it on phase 2? Simple handler. Public space simple handler on phase 2. On phase 2. On phase 2. On phase 2 minus on phase 2. No. This is phase 2. And then we write phase 2. I know this is really bad. Like I feel like I always know this is really bad. So on phase 2 should basically be called on when we are on phase 2, or like the moment that we are on phase 2. So here I think it's more like no, not now. We probably want to phase end. This is also a public static int. Boolean phase end is equal to false. But how do we know the phase is ending? It's I feel like the problem is this thing does not wait in the right way. Can we just do a like C# unity waits? Or actually, do I do that? Like, I feel like this is not good because it makes this not generic. But for now, I don't care if it's generic. I just want this to work. Like, is this better? If I just do a start coding. To be honest, I still feel quite confused about whether this is the right way to wait. I don't want to do. I feel like I want to do. I'm not sure. Dress me in red and throw your roses, and I'll wrangle the peace with words. It's a graceless dance of epithets. We learn to make some. Yeah, let's just do a start call TNC. White highlights. This is not generic, but let's do it. So only when we finish. Here, let me think about it. So after highlight selected is highlight selected is -1. I just want to reset it back like immediately. Okay, if we do this, would that work? I know this is not good. Cannot convert from message group to string. All three. Oh, okay, I have to do this. Please don't freeze the whole thing. Oh yeah, this is printing. By the way, this is printing without me even. No, this is an infinite loop. This is an infinite loop basically because we did not. Oh, okay, we need to pick this first. Unhighlight selected. Unhighlight pick spaces. Format tapped. Okay, can we do this? This was not the right order, and that's what's causing the infinite loop. But I think now this is the right order. I really know this is not generic, but please pardon me for that. 146 loose. Okay, then the problem is, it seems like it just only runs once. So where we are we still waiting for? So the first one probably easy. Okay. If highlight is -1, then we return. Let me actually see where is it waiting. I know it's probably waiting somewhere, but I don't know where. 1. Here. So the shoes spin arm. Let me do this one here. And let me. Okay. Actually, I'm not sure how the behavior will be. Does it stop? It doesn't stop. Okay, it still doesn't stop. So it actually goes to the second iteration of the for loop. The problem is it goes to second iteration of the for loop, but do we not unsubscribe? You probably wouldn't see the results then. Okay, the problem is pick spaces are not really updated. I'm going to stash out this, but this is too much. And I'm going to put a start to see how many start we have. I'm pretty sure we have at least 2, but I'm not sure if it is 2. Why does highlight formation this big definition? Okay, it's here. Let's re-highlight information. Okay, highlight formation puts together the array, and then we do unhighlight. Why does it not do unhighlight? I think it does not do unhighlight the second time. Somehow unhighlighted does not support the same. Okay, so can we see if it worked for 2 iterations? I'm pretty sure it doesn't, but let's see. Start 146 loose. Okay, it doesn't run to the second run of start, which is really strange. Okay, so it gets to the. No, it doesn't get to here. It doesn't get to end. Okay, it does not get to end because logically it cannot. It is just waiting. Oh, how do I make this wait work? Yes, this does not get to. It cannot get to the end, mainly because when it's called, I just set the highlight selected to -1 and okay, is it better if I set the highlight to -1 here? Okay, is it better if I do it here? I'm totally not sure how the logic should work, to be honest. And start. Wait, this is actually working. Wait, this is working. So this one we lose, so we cannot. If we try to convert it again, we lose again. Wait, this is working. This is working. Let's try 5. Let's try 5. Can we do it? Oh, we actually found a way to find it to make it work. I thought I wouldn't find a way because that's just like the logic just feels so confusing, to be honest. Okay, if we wing, then yeah, hey, yes, we can actually convert other places. Let's try this one, I think. Okay, and okay, this one lose, so it's one cannot work. Let's try it again. Lose again. Let's. It actually how I don't know. Let's try again. Okay, this one also works. That's good. Oh, what? Oh, that's the last one, I think. Okay, so now we should do something. Oh, that actually makes me so happy. That makes me so happy. I'm like I can't even. It just makes me happy whenever I figure out the logic, because this is real logic. Like this is the only way that the logic could work. This is not good, like in some way, but this is not good because this is not generic. The way is just like looks so stupid, to be honest. But I mean, it's not really stupid, but it works. So at least I know like how logic could work in a really stupid way, and then we can make it smart. Yeah, let's make it smart later. Like now at least it's working. We want to do something though. We want to like if one where's the comment? Okay, here. If we win this, then we want to change the religious influence. If the religious influence is changed, then let me see. So first, if we say electorate, we should add the let me see. We should add the regulars to that area, right? I think we should do that. Like if it's electorate. I don't even see. How do you do that? Okay, I somehow don't know why that part. Can I just search? Not this one. I want to see electorate. Probably a lot of times electorates appear. But basically electorate, not diplomacy. No, I want to see if okay, yes, right. If this is an electorate being converted to a Protestant region for the first time, face a Protestant regular as specified in 21.6. Let's see 21.6. Oh wait, what? Twenty-one point six doesn't even talk about this. Okay, cannot build any conversion of any allows the units may not move or conversion of any allows to remove the regulars from the display. Yes, that's right. That's right. So if it is electorate, then we should do it. How do we do it? We want to do something called change relation. Or not change relation, but like the backhand change relation, I would say. And backhand change relation should not be here. There are just so many different things to do. I'm quite confused which one to do first. First, we need to move the board. We need to move the Protestant board. Protestant board, how do we do that? Protestant board is controlled by the Protestant home, I think. And this is a home 25 script. Let's see. And this is a home position. So it's a home position. So home position 01. Yeah, this is on move home 2501. Okay, this is not too hard to do. We can on home young home 01. Okay, this should be right. Let's actually try it. Sometimes there's a lot of database things wrong. I don't know what's happening. It's okay, let's do this. Start, try 1. Not working. Again. Not working. Okay, we're just unlucky at this point. Try again, not working. That one last time. Okay, we just lost 5 times. Never mind. Let's try again to make just see if it could work. Okay, this one is working, and then this one is proceed 1 point. Okay, that's good. I think last time we were just really unlucky. Do you want to try this? Not working. This not working. This actually works. Okay, so it's 2. Okay, we got both of this to work. That's really good. Electorates. The problem is I don't think we have electorates nearby. It's difficult to. Yeah, this is. Oh wait, Brandenburg is electorate. So Brandenburg should move to that area then. Okay, if Brandenburg is electorate, then we should probably do it. Let's see, what is this space? So if target is electorate, how do we see if it's electorate? I think I'm going to wrap up after I finish this, but now like it feels like this is working, so I want to do it. Not here actually. So object script, space object. No, not the real space object, like space type. So this is if what is this? Yeah, we have the target space. So if target space dot space type, let's do an int. I don't think that one can do the email written that well. So if this is equal to, and that's an enum 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this is 4, this is 4, then this is a problem. It's not like this is a problem, but okay. We basically want to do this 4 lines. I'm probably going to change this to the switch switch target. I'm pretty sure there are not that many cases that can happen. Because yeah, there's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, let's just do 2 to 6. So case 2. Regular do this. Break. It's definitely not. Break. So autocorrect sometimes just doesn't know what I'm doing. Case 5. Oh. Case 6. Okay. I know this is just bad, but yeah, there's no way to make the two random stuff work. Where do we find the right index? Case 2. I think this part is the same. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 5. Oh wait, I don't want to do this. Okay, I was really stupid. 130. 134 per target. Okay. Apparently I'm like too stupid to really. Okay. So this is 0. So this target is -1. I think. Target -1 probably not equal to 2 though. What actually is it? Oh, okay. I was not working with the right index. But for now, let's just do 1 and see which one is not right. I think one of them is not right. So this is 1 and change regular target is -1. Fine. Okay, so see if it works now. Okay, looks like it's working. Not working. Oh yeah, this one I have to close it. I just want to see if Augsburg could work. Because I think for the other one it wouldn't reach there anyway. So let's see if this one could work. Doesn't. Augsburg actually have 2 and Augsburg is the only one that has 2. Try again. No point exception. Okay, this is not right. Let's see. So change rack at 138. Where is it? 138 here. Okay, 134. Here, I think the case is 135. Right? We should try to get 135 as the input there. Is 135 an input then? Target is 1. Then no, this is not right. This should be 134. And actually, that might not be target -1. It's just target, I think. Augsburg is 1, right? I hope Augsburg is 1. No, not Augsburg. Brandenburg. Brandenburg is 2 here, but it is 1 as the index. I think that might be the case. Let's try it. This is just like +1 -1 thing. I don't think there's a big problem. So we're quite close to finish today. Oh, okay, it just worked. And actually, okay, we got 1 regular. Okay, everything works. That's good. Let's just see, can we convert anything else? Oh, this one does not work. Does not work. Okay, we're actually unlucky. 1 last time. Okay, this one actually worked, but we don't get anything here, so it's a bit of pity. And we got 2 spaces. Wait, we should have 3, I think. Why do we not have 3? If we win the last one, we should have the last one. I don't understand. Oh, we didn't move the first one. Okay, I see. We didn't move the first one. So in this case, we should move the first one then. Oh, move home 25 should be 0, 1. Okay, that works. Just one last time, like one last time. See if it works. Okay, unlucky. But now it's already 1 because we have this space. Another, okay, works. What about this? Doesn't. Okay, now we have 3. Okay, everything's good actually. I'm quite happy to actually push its changes because I think it's a really good progress. Okay, that went well, and I'll probably do a lot more tomorrow. Yep, that's it. I'm quite happy today with the progress.